time, there was perfection.
Before man,
There was a fall.
pride rebelled. Heaven shook. You think this story is ancient? That war didn't end in heaven. It followed man to earth. But heaven had a plan. Redemption was written before the fall. The fall, the fight, and redemption. Where do you stand in this story?